interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
This is an emergency broadcast from the Emergency Alert System. This is not a test. Nazi zombies are rising from the graves and are attacking the living. Nazi zombies are eating the following people: Jews, homosexuals, Catholics, gypsies, the mentally ill, blacks, communists, capitalists, and all other minorities. If you are a minority, please stay in your homes, board up your windows, barricade your doors, and arm yourself with any weapon available and prepare to defend yourself Call of Duty style.